You have to make that flawless, fine, and beautiful closure wig. Yes, sit back, relax as we bring to you easy steps on how to wig and style your closure wig. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be teaching you how to make closure wig in an easy, flawless way. First, we have our hair from Hair by Nose, the number one hairstylist vendor in Nigeria. You can click the link below to patronize. Here we have our hair ready. About 10 inches on straight closure. Having two bundle 8 and 10 inches with the closure. You make your wig cap ready for work. You wear your canvas head wig cap, adjust it, make sure everything align the way you want it. Check the cap if there's any adjustments, then you can pin it down with your T-pin. Pin all it. Your T-pin will make your cap to move, not to lumbar bounce while you're sewing in your closure. Then you put your lace on the hair, adjust it and arrange it. Make sure the center and the party line is straight. Balance on the canvas head. Now you pin it down with your T-pin. Pin it down. Carefully make sure your closure is sitting pretty and dummy. Do not rush while trying to make your closure sit proper. Now it's time to sew your closure on your wig cap. Thread your needle to your desired length. You can start from the left or right. Just make sure you are doing it correctly. When you tie your hair, because sometimes it can disturb or make you not comfortable while sewing or not able to see the lace line. You can clip it down or tie it with your clip. Gently pull your needle through. Now it's time to sew the closure on your wig cap. Thread your needle to your desired length. You can start from the left or right. Just make sure you are doing it correctly. Now you tie your hair, because sometimes it can disturb or make you not comfortable while sewing or not able to see the lace line. You can clip it down or tie it with your clip. Gently pull your needle through. Sew to the first end of the first side. Then from there you can tie it to make the stitch very strong. Do not rush, do not be in a hurry while trying to make these stitches of your closure. Now you have to turn to the other side, the right hand side or the left hand side, way however maybe how you start it, or just the first way you sew the right hand side. Also follow the same steps and making sure the stitches is very tight without any error, because any mistake you make at this point will definitely ruin your entire week. clip your closure to hair. Then to get an accurate sewing length, you can use your sewing measuring tape or whatever tape you can lay your hand on. Mark it to get a good sewing length. Mark is not perfect, but you can do better. You can use your chalk, your line pen, and whatever even crayon or whatever you can lay your hand on to make your sewing line. Our line is neatly drawn. Then it's now time for us to start with our sewing. I'll be using butterfly sewing machine, industrial table sewing machine. I know there are other similar brands out there, but I think this works better for me. We have our bundles, 200 grams. Open your bundle, detangle it as you comb it through. Was having issue with the foot rest. So machine foot rest, then I have to adjust it down. So I'm going to start from the downline of the line you draw. As you sew. Not be in a hurry, but try to sew in your line. Take your time. You sew and then use your scissors to cut. Sew and cut, sew and cut. Follow the same steps. You repeat the same process as you are sewing. Remove every dirt, particles, or even hair to progress. Keep sewing and sew around the sewing line you draw. Make sure your sewing is tight and neat. At this point, if you haven't hit your subscribe button, subscribe, like, comment, so you can see more of my content. gently sew. Do not be in a hurry. The ending and the finished part is always the most stressful and confusing part. But take your time, sew gently to avoid bumps and uneven areas on your wings. Carefully sew the end parts close to the closure. Then my hair is almost ready. Rings neat. Then this is the closure line, the lace. Yeah, you have to cut it off. Use your scissors, cut it off. Yeah, you cut every unwanted thread to give it a good looking comb. Now it's time to style the wig. Straighten it into a blunt or pull through exception as you pass straightener with sleek layer results. Apply your serum, your heat protectants, and also make sure you take its layers, do not be in a hurry. Continue straightening your wig, stretch its way to a blunt bob style. Cut carefully to your desired length. Our hair is ready. Sleek, fine texture, and beautiful wig. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.